Hi everyone, how are you doing? In case you're wondering what this is a DHL parcel, a gift from one of my clients, Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. They have been my clients for like 2 to 3 years, and they just sent over a gift. It says it's a handbag, so that's why we're doing this together. We're unboxing this together because it's more fun like that. So let me get my scalpels. I'm not like psychopath or anything, but this is what I use in advertising agencies for mock-ups. And I just found out that like when I had my wisdom tooth removed, the dentist pulled out the same thing. I was like, why are you cutting my gum with a craft knife? I've always been a big fan of Gucci the brand because especially after Alessandro Michele, I'm a creative nerd, okay? So Alessandro Michele was hired in 2016 to take over the Gucci brand, like creative directions, and under his helm, you can tell like the identity is like really evolving and then like into that retro chic and the geek chic vibe that Gucci have today is because of him. So I am a big fan of his work, and I remember meeting Gucci for the first time because their marketing team came to New Zealand, I think 2 years ago, to launch their e-commerce site. So I meet up with them. Oh, this is so cute. Dear Aki, thank you for celebrating our centennial. We love your art direction and hope you had fun. More exciting Gucci moments to come. Your friends at Gucci. So looks like this is for a campaign that I did for them last month, I would say. So I remember, oh no, this must be in end of October. I remember because it is 2 days after I got my second COVID vaccine and I was feeling like not well, but I still like went to search for the location, recce for the location for the photo shoot, and then turn around the photo shoot in an hour. So yeah, but the photo turned out great, so I was really stoked, and I think that they are very happy with the artwork as well. So I'm very stoked. You know, when you have a happy client, that's the best thing ever. Ooh, look at that! Beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. That is so cute. What do you think? So pretty. So I'm just gonna put a few outfits together with the bag and let me know what you think, alright? So yeah. Oh, I actually really like it with the strap. What do you think? I think that works really well. That totally works. That totally works. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Grazie mille, Gucci. Sei molto felice. Let's do a more boyish kind of look. Okay, so suit, hair up, and a pink bag to soften that masculine look, I think. Actually, the purple shoes might not work. So, sneakers or like pink heels. I do like the heels. Yeah. I think this is a look. Okay, let's pull another look. Because this is New Zealand dollar 4,000 plus, right? So if you do buy this bag, you want to make sure that it's versatile as well. Cost per wear, right? You know what I mean? So let's pull another look. This works. Like retro, very Gucci, like very House of Gucci kind of vibe. Imagine this without the singlet, so that's just the bag and then the suit. That will work, eh? Oh, I have one more look because I have two very masculine suit kind of vibe. So let me do another dressy kind of look, like an evening kind of look, because this is a really good evening bag. So I want to do an evening kind of look for you. So hold on right there. Hair down, right? Heels. Maybe we don't need the strap. Ta-da! Party look. With sparkly heels. Ta-da! So that is my dressy look to end this styling video. Like my behind the scene looks like crime scene at the moment, like with all the changes of clothes and all the mess. But yeah, so I better go tidy up before Andrew realizes that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy unboxing with me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to share more of my wardrobe, my purchase, my styling with you. So hopefully I will see you on the next one. Ciao.